So I'm going to be working on the transom to mount trolling motor. I've already cut some flooring, which is just some old scrap plywood, really thin. I'm going to glue that in at some point. I've made this divider that fits in pretty well to separate the battery compartment. I've got a whole bunch of supplies which I've managed to scrounge for free. Batteries, wire. I've got even more wire somewhere over there, all scrounged for free, and I got some more server batteries over here. So I'm going to make those into some power packs, and that's going to go on the front. Power's going to run to the back, and that's basically that's going to just plug in there, right? Pretty straightforward. So now I've just got to make the transom to mount the trolling motor to, and that's going to be all cut out of some scraps of plywood that I also got for free. So that's what I'm working on.